Hi, welcome to Random Stuff. Today I am going to review, unbox Bosch Professional Laser Measure. This is the model GLM40 Professional. This tool is primarily used by architects and civil engineers. I bought this for a friend of mine who happens to be an interior designer, and sometimes we feel the need to measure certain parts of the building, and I thought this tool will be a nice gift for him. Before giving to him, I am going to review this. I know it's not correct, but he will not mind. He's my friend. So here's the unboxing first. I have cut the tape here, and let's see. Seems to be one more tape here which I need to cut. Here's a pair of scissors. Right. So I've got this open, and this is the tool neatly embedded inside this box. Looks neat. There seems to be a serial number here, and it's very light. Anyway, so that's the GLM40 laser measure, and these are the two AAA batteries that came along with it. AAA or LR03 batteries, and you have the certificate, a pocket manual, and a book manual. The book manual gives the original instructions, the features, the display measuring button, function button, on off, battery compartment, etc., locking mechanism. And this one is a sort of a ready reckoner on how to do the measurement. To be very honest, I am very new to this, so I honestly do not know how this works, but let me try anyway. The operation is pretty simple and straightforward. You need to you can long press this C button and it switches off, and if you press this again, it switches on. My unit is in the feet measurement, and if you click on the function, you can see the arrow which says straight measurements, linear, then you have the square feet and the volume and the Pythagoras. So, and it also has a memory which you can access with the plus or minus. So that's a good little function. In case you want to revert back to any previous reading, you can do that. As you can see, this has got a laser, and if I point this down like so, I need to press once and again press it again. I can see the reading of 6.64 inches, 0.64 inches, which is pretty accurate. I also got this nice pouch for my friend to go along with this device. The color matches the device, and it fits in very well snugly inside. Also got a Velcro strap in the back, which can help you carry it on your belt buckle or something. So this also is of a very good quality. All in all, the whole unit along with the pouch is around 4,300 rupees, or about 50 bucks. If I switch this off by holding down on the C button, I can change the measurement unit from feet to meter and meter to feet. All you have to do is you have to keep pressing the C button till you see the unit measurement changing from feet to meters. So to recap, if I press on the function button, you get the line, then you get the area, then you get the volume, and you get the Pythagoras. Once you switch on the unit, this is to better understand the laser intensity, the laser dot hitting a black backdrop. This is what it will look like, and it's the laser dot is pretty good. You can actually view it I'm able to see it very clearly at a very long distance of about 20 feet, which is the length of the hall where I'm recording. So there is absolutely no issues there. It's about almost 24 feet, the length of the hall here where I'm sitting. So based on that, if I just click, if I use this against a black backdrop, you can see the laser dot hitting the black backdrop clearly, and it's highly visible. I'm sure even in daylight you will be able to see this. So the functions are all here, and this device is a great utility to carry with you if you are an engineer or an interior designer. This device is quite robust and it's very easy to use, even for first timers like me. I was able to understand the device after a few trial and error. The manual also is quite handy, but I hardly looked at it. In fact, I just switched it on and I hit this few buttons over here, and I was able to understand exactly what it is. These plus and minus buttons are used for scrolling up and down to check your previous readings. Thank you once again for watching this video. Hope you like it.